Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn about font sizes. Now please note, this will be pure CSS solution. Yes, we can use couple of levels from HTML, you know, font tag plus size attribute, but that's stupid, that's very limiting. So right, font size, that's a real property, and I'm gonna say 1 pixel. But before we do that, let's go to default size of browser. Control minus 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 couple of times. Here we are. So save in editor and refresh, and there you go. Barely visible. So you will probably say, okay, no problem, maybe I can use this for some weird reason. But the thing is, if you press Control plus, you can go just to 500%. Check this out. 500% and that's it. Well, at least in Chrome. Okay, so let's go to normal size, and if we say 5 pixels, still it's ugly. If we say 55 pixels, ugly again. So pretty much, you know, keep your font around 12 to 18, something like that. It depends what you do, but 16 is a kind of default, if you ask me. Okay, so here's the thing. Can you combine that thing with text transformation? Well, sure. Text transform, and I'm gonna use, for example, uppercase, and there you go. But here's the thing. In CSS, when we work with the fonts, we also have another property, which is font variant, and now the value will be small caps. So I'm not inventing this is part of standard. And refresh, and there you go. So it looks a little bit artistic. There you go, guys. And of course you can delete this Times New Roman to see what's up if you use Arial. Cool. But I like Times New Roman in this case when I use small caps for some reason. Arial and Verdana, they look somehow technical. Well, maybe Verdana is a little bit better, but Times New Roman is definitely nicer. Well, that's just personal preference. Artistic stuff. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. Nothing special here. And as always, thank you for watching, and see you next one.